Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reagan. If this is your first time coming here. Now, it has been a little bit since I have done any recordings. I have been basically back to work, trying to situate the whole working and recording thing at the same time, so bear with me. I'm going to try and get more videos out. So what I'm going to start with is a little bit of unboxing. I have 3 items that just came in today. This one is my Walmart beauty box. This is only $5, and I think it's like you get one every, I think there's only like 4 boxes a year or something like that. I don't remember. I signed up for it like in the middle of the night when I was sleep deprived, so I don't remember everything other than I know it was $5. So we are gonna, and this is my first one of it, so I don't really know what to expect in this box, but let's see what we've got here. Alright, so it comes with a little celebrate your beauty, and you can enter to win a $100 gift card, so fancy. The inside of the box, it starts out like that, which is super cute. I like the little wrapping in there. Alright, so, oh, I already see there's things in here I'm gonna like. First off being the Aquaphor ointment body spray. This stuff works so good. I actually have a big can of this already, and I have a tube of this because I get like super dry skin right around in this area of my face, and so I use this stuff all the time. Love it, love it, love it. So already excited about that. Another thing in the box is a soft and dry aluminum free. This is in sparkling citrus deodorant, which let me see what it looks like. Oh, it's gel, so that's good. I'll actually use it. I don't like the white ones because they get on your clothes. It's not a bad smell, so excited to try that out and see how it works. Then let's see here, the next thing in there is the Aches and Pains Muscle Relief. This is the Village Naturals Therapy Epsom salt in menthol and spearmint. This I'm gonna have to pass on to my husband because one of the main ingredients is magnesium sulfate along with sea salt. I am allergic to sulfate. I've mentioned that before on my channel, so I cannot use Epsom salt whatsoever. I swell up, break out, hive up. It's not good. But my husband really loves Epsom salt, so he'll be a fan of that. Another thing in the box is the Gold Bond Ultimate Hydrating Cream in the Radiance Renewal. Funny thing, I have a big giant tub of this. This stuff is amazing. I believe I got this from my, I'm trying to think of which box it was that I got this in. I'm gonna have to look up that and I'll put it in the comments down below, but I know I got it in one of my boxes. It could have been either the what is that one I just recently got and now I cannot remember. Okay. So I have a big one of this already. I believe I got this one in my influencer box or my pinch me box. I cannot remember which one, but I've signed up for both of those. Those are boxes. They're actually free subscriptions, and depending on how active you are in the program is to the amount of free stuff that you get. So this was a free item, and I already love it, and now I have a small of it that I can put in my purse, so that's a win. So far there's 2 things already in the box that I already own and I already love, so not mad about that. Let's see here. Another thing is this So AE Purify Brightening Peeling Gel. Let's see. I'm a huge face mask person. I'm trying to think if I have this one or not. Let me look. Okay, no. I have the V-Line chin-up mask, which these are great too. I am a big fan of this brand along with the Cream Shop. That's another brand that I use their face mask of. And also this one is one I've recently started on, and I really like that one a lot. I got this one from Walmart. Go figure. So this is a peeling gel. So is it not a mask at all? No. Okay, so if I could read. Funny. So this is just basically a gel that you put on your skin, you let it dry, and then you peel it off, which I'm all for that. I love peel mask. Big time. Like, those are my favorite things in the world. It's something about it. It's very soothing to be able to peel it off, especially if you can get it all off in like one big giant face skin. I know I'm weird, but that's something I'm excited to use. Let's see here. Another is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner for thick and curly hair. My hair is not thick and it is not curly, but there's no sulfates, no parabens, no something lates, no lots of no stuff in here. No animal testing. Okay, so that's all good. I will still try this out for the simple fact that even though I do not have thick curly hair, I do have wavy damaged hair, so maybe that will help that. We shall see. So excited to try that one. And I think that is it. Yes. And it just gives you the whole how to use the spray stuff. So not a bad box at all. For $5, I kind of very impressed with that box. Let's see here. Another, I do have my Ipsy. We'll get to that. I think I'll do a whole video on that separately. We'll see. But this one here, this is from Crowdtap. This is another one of those free things that you sign up for, and you kind of do surveys and participate and blah blah blah, and you get free stuff. So let's see what this is. The first time I'm getting anything from this as well. So big box already. My hand-picked crowd kit is here from Crowdtap. All right. Ooh, holy crapola. I am already super stoked about this. Let me get them all out. Ho ho ho. This makes me so happy. Alright, so first thing is a Caress Botanicals shower foam. This is in white orchid coconut milk, paraben free and sulfate free. Yay! I can use this. And then we have 3 body sprays. Sweet Violet, Pink Peony, I know it's a flower and I cannot say it. Peony, P-E-O-N-Y. Y'all can correct me in the comments. I'm sure you will. And then Mediterranean Lotus. Ooh. I wonder... Oh. That smells good. That smells good. I'm not going to spray them all, but that smells good, and I'm super stoked to try all of these, and especially the body foam, shower foam. Super excited. And these, I think, are all, yeah, these are all new products, so look for these in stores. So basically what I'll have to do is I will basically try it out, then I have to give a review on it, and that's how I get to continue with the free products. So can't beat that at all. Can't beat that at all. So excited. So what we'll do, I will go ahead, I'll open my Ipsy. However, I'm not gonna kind of like use any of it. I'll probably do that in a separate video is what we'll do. I love mail day. Makes me happy. The bag, super cute. It's a bunch of like women's heads, hair, faces, kind of faceless heads like that. Let's dump everything out and then we will go from there. Alright, so Tarte Sexy Kitten is the first thing, and this is a eyeliner. Oh, okay. Little bitty baby eyeliner, but that's super cute. What is its pigmentation like? I'm sure good with it being Tarte. Oh yeah, it's good and creamy. Okay, can't wait to try that. Let's see here. I don't need that. A brush, which I'm always a fan of getting. This is from Scone, and this is a large shadow brush, and it's got rose gold. So super duper excited about that. I'll definitely use that. What is this? This is from City Color. Let me see if there is a how to open. No, let me open. There we go. Alright, so this is a cream and a powder highlight. So that we'll see about. Then I have, what is this? Huh. I guess they messed up. 1, 2, 3. They gave me 2 of the Sexy Kitten eyeliners from Tarte. I'm not complaining. I will use them. So I got an extra. Actually, I got more than that. I am so confused. What is going on here? I got Ipsy pens. Did y'all get Ipsy pens? What is this about? Like Ipsy Create. They're just markers. Like pink and blue. Is it to draw on the back? That'll be awesome if that's what it's for. That is what it's for. Oh, we've included 2 markers, but feel free to use as many colors as you like and unleash your artist within by coloring on your glam bag. Oh, that's so awesome. Okay. Then I got from Hakera Cosmetics. I cannot read things at all. This is a cream pigment in the color Envy. Hakera? I've heard this brand. I've used it before. I think I have a blush from them, which is like super pigmented and really awesome. Ooh, I like that. That is a pretty weird kind of like gold green. Oh yeah, that's super nice. Focus, focus, there we go. I can't wait to try that. So pretty, so pretty. And then, what is this? A mintbalm.com from Glossier, which I've never used them before, so I'm kind of excited to get a gloss in there. So I'm gonna use this right now. Oh, that is thick. Holy crapola. That's super thick. Little bit goes a long way, just saying. Alright. So that's all of my stuff I got today. in my box, or boxes. Like I said, I will do a video separate of using all of my Ipsy items, which, I mean, there was like one I'm already using because my lips are super dry and I needed something on them. But, so yeah, check back and I will have some more videos coming up. I have one on the Wet n Wild's new spring goth glam, glothographic, woo, I can't say that, I cannot say that, glothographic spring collection. I'll do a separate video on that, just kind of touching base on it and how it works, that kind of thing. I'm sure my BoxyCharm will be coming in along with my Medusa, so that will also be some boxes. I know last month totally skipped out on it. I got them, I just didn't do a video because coming back to work has not been the best thing for me yet. I'm still adjusting to all of that. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that way you will be notified the next time I upload. You have a great day.